You can enter a date into Excel just by typing it, say, with a slash in between the day, the month, and the year. We're going to go back to the year 2020 for this one. Or you can type it in with dashes, something like this, 1-1-20. And Excel is going to detect that most things that are meant to be dates are dates. You could even enter things kind of long format, 1st of Jan 20, and it will still detect that it's a date. Now, the way Excel works is that it counts every day from 1900 with an individual serial number. So, for example, January 1st, 2030 is going to be stored as, let's find that out for you. I'll show you how it's done. January 1st, 2030. If we format that as a number, or general or a number, bam, 47,484 is basically represents the number of days it's been since 1900. And this is useful if you've ever got a large workbook and you start seeing numbers around this range, kind of unexplained numbers that are similar in size to this one. It's a good indicator that those are dates that are just formatted wrong.